is thin layer chromatography. Thin layer chromatography, or known as TLC, is a chromatography technique used to separate non-volatile mixtures. As with other chromatography, in this TLC technique there is a mobile phase and a stationary phase. The mobile phase consists of a solvent or solvent mixture, while the stationary phase is a TLC plate, usually in the form of silica gel, aluminum oxide, or cellulose. To run the TLC technique begins by giving a pencil line on the TLC plate about 1.5 centimeters long. From the bottom edge of the TLC plate is also marked using a pencil to indicate the initial position of the mixture to be separated. The TLC method can be used to identify compounds in a particular sample mixture. Small drops of each mixture are placed at points on the baseline of the TLC plate, as well as samples whose components are known if the mixture drops on the TLC plate have dried. Next, the TLC plate is inserted into the chamber in such a way that the points on the plate do not touch the surface of the eluent. The solvent or solvent will move upwards based on the capillary force on the TLC plate. The movement of the solution will pass through the sample and will carry it upwards. The separation process that occurs in TLC is based on the partial differences in sample components between the mobile phase and the stationary phase. Next, the solvent movement limit is marked with a TLC plate pencil and then dried in the surrounding air or using warm air from a drying machine to see the results of the TLC plate separation process, which can be visualized under UV light or by using certain chemical reagents. Music. If the target substance is not colored, a pre-coating is first carried out on the TLC plate used. This process can be carried out by chemical reagents. Can be done with several materials, for example iodine, ninhydrin, potassium permanganate, and vanillin. TLC plates can be soaked in the reagent or sprayed using the reagent. RF determination can be calculated by comparing the propagation distance of the component with the propagation distance of the solvent of the compound with a lower RF value.